Ah, what a beautiful, crisp October morning in the maple woods. Trees are all beautifully turning colors. And I'm just now about to put away my syrup pan. Stay tuned to hear why. Welcome back to Red Barn Sugar Shack. It's mid-October, actually almost late October now, and I'm just now about to put away my maple syrup pan for the year. Why, you might ask? I finished boiling back end of March, right? But here's a trick I learned that cleans the pan easily, effectively, and best of all, free. Let me tell you about it. Come on in, let me show you something. For the longest time, I always had black spots still in my pan. Stuff that would be burnt to the bottom. I didn't want to scrape it. I didn't want to scour it because that scratches the pan. And that's no good because that'll make more stuff stick in the future. Here's what I learned. Take some of your sap that's left over from the season, okay? Either stuff that you've just emptied out your pails or your bags when you went to put them away for the year, anything, and just pour it in and let it set. It'll turn a little bit sour. It'll smell, but it turns kind of like a vinegar, a slight acidity. It cleans the pan beautifully. I did that when I put it away, put my bags away. I just emptied the bags into here, filled it about halfway up, let it set all summer. Here we are, end of October. Come in, look at the pan. It's not as mirror shiny as it was from the factory, but look, no black, no burnt spots, no nothing. Even down in the flues, it's nice and clean. All because of the sap. Free and effective. But while I got you here, also, one thing I wanted to share with you folks is that I've been using this pan now for 2 years. And I've seen some walkarounds on Facebook, on YouTube, and even the manufacturer got some nice videos. But they're all so shiny that I was having a hard time mentally seeing what it looked like. Maybe it was just me. But let me show you. My pan is no longer mirror shiny, clean, but not mirror shiny. So come take a look at it. On this side, you'll get the float box, right? This is obviously the input. Comes in right here. Now this center divider is about 2 inches shorter than the outside. Very useful when you have bubble overs. It'll bubble over from one side to the other, but it won't bubble over the exterior of your pan. There's only one hole in the center divider, all the way down here. That's where the sap will come in, from this side into this chamber. There's still 4 flues on each side, drop flues. One hole here comes into the next side. One hole again into that side, where you have the draw off and your thermometer. Here's one other thing I want to show you though. What the drop flues look like underneath. This comes in important if you're making your own arch. Like I said, it's a 5.5 inch drop flues. The finishing side of the pan has no flues. Drop flues flush to that side of the pan. Now I have a natural gas arch that I built for this. Hope to show you some more in an upcoming video. Natural gas is not a common way of doing this. I find it to be very effective and inexpensive. Yes, inexpensive. I know most people think natural gas is going to be spendy. It isn't. So I had to do some customization with burners and such and built my own arch to fit this. But it works well. First year I got 10 gallons per hour of evaporation on it. But that's because I didn't have it as effective of a burn rate or combustion. I updated my burners to some jet burners. Now this last season I got 16 gallons an hour. Still not perfect. I don't think that's what this pan's capable of. I think it can do a whole lot more. I'm going to tweak it this next season, see what I can do. And I'll get back with you on the exact GPH I can achieve. However, it's a whole lot better than any other 2x4 pan that I've seen or used. And there you go. A fast, easy, and free way of cleaning your pans for the season. Keep this in mind for this coming season. If you want, keep a few gallons set aside of your sap. Maybe stuff that's already gone sour. Maybe the stuff that you use when you clean out your buckets or bags. Keep it, put it in your pan, let it sit for a couple months. Think you'll be happy how it turns out? Let me know how you like it. Thanks for watching.